Okay, so back kind of the trade. I feel pretty good about this one. That's the probability speaking. Probably I due a win at some point, but I think it's a good setup. Daily we're obviously trending lower. We had this retracement into a premium market, sold off, came back down, filled this fair value gap. I think our next strong liquidity is this swing low here, which we nearly took but didn't. So I'm expecting price to break down and filled this fair value gap, swept this high here, and then break down lower, all the way down to this low here. However, I mean, for me, I think I'm going to take the previous day low first. 4 hour confirmation, traded up, consolidated, created equal highs here, which we took out, came into this bearish order block here. You see these series of upwards candles, which created this swing high, broke down, we retraced into this area, so I'm expecting price to react bearish off of that. On the hourly, again, we kind of traded up and then broke down, and then New York midnight open, we've got a Judas swing up here, we filled this fair value gap, I'm expecting price to break down again now. 15 minute, I was looking for an entry around here, so it's at this high, look for an entry, didn't get one, and then so it's at these lows, rallied, took out this high, broke down, change, what was it? My brain's on blank. CISD. I can't remember, but obviously closed beneath this order block here, traded back into that plus a fair value gap, which validates it for me. 5 minute, again, much the same, took out this, traded into this bullish order block, filled this fair value gap. I think we are also quite deep into a premium, but expecting decent reaction off of that now. And 1 minute I had this kind of mark, well, I had this in mine, I think. Oh, I didn't, I'm trying on my house. But 5 minute, we're going on 5 minute. Stop loss to this high here and take profit to this swing low here, worked out to 1.73 hours, so let's see how we get on. Filled that fair value gap. It's got a 5 minute there. So far moving quite nicely. I think I'll trail stops, but I'm not too sure at what point. I might just move this now down to this low, because I think if we come back up here without taking this low, I think we're going to continue to push higher. So let's see. Expect a bit of a retracement. But I mean, it's probably not the move we were after there. Taken out. Would we have hit full stop loss? I can't see why we wouldn't now. It's got to be a drawn liquidity that. Let's get this through. It's taking forever. Consolidating. Yeah, I think probably. Oh my god, no, we would have still been in had we not trailed. Just consolidating. Okay, right. So I suppose we minimise losses a little bit. We would lose there about 0.5%. And then just consolidate. I suspect. I don't know. I was happy with the trade. I'm not too sure if this swing low that took out these lows here is what's caused us to push higher, or if we're just bullish on the day. I don't know. I think we're just bullish on the day. So again, it's a higher time frame thing, which is frustrating. But yeah, it seems like we took out these lows here. Didn't want to, for some reason, take out. Didn't draw into the previous day low, which I anticipated. Created this low here, which ended up being our low of the day. And for some reason, rallied. But I mean, what could we possibly? I mean, we moved initially quite well. Traded into a 5 minute bullish order block, which potentially killed us a little bit. But oh, did we? Yeah. Traded into this bullish order block, but then we didn't even like react that bullish. We just kind of consolidated for a while before eventually taking out this high here. Maybe I expect price to be bearish now, following this, create all these equal highs. But I mean, quite a hard day to trade, obviously. Just quite a choppy price action day. Obviously, when I entered it looked better, but this has just gone really sideways the whole day and then took us out. At least we managed our losses correctly, and that's good. But what was the lowest it got to? 1.2. So I was never going to set that, but I don't know what it's drawn into really. Like, I wouldn't know what to set my take profit to there, because had we set it to, for some reason, this low here, and then put this with this high here, or I don't know what we'd have set our stop loss to there. What's the 1 minute saying? Yeah, I don't know, it traded up into this bearish order block here potentially, so above that 1 minute bearish order block, and then held all the way down to this swing low here. But I mean, it's so easy to say in hindsight, but really difficult to do in the moment. So it's one of them. But I feel better about that. I think it initially moved nicely, which we've not had any of. I mean, we're really clutching at straws, but I'm just trying to understand why I'm losing. Came down this low here, bullish order block, and then rallied up. What does that look like on the 5 minute? We've looked at the 5 minute. So I suppose swept out these equal lows here. And when you look at the 5 minute, you go, of course it rallied, but came down. Yeah, bullish order block. I can't think what else. 3 minute. Took this swing low, build this bullish order block. I've no idea. But look, it's one of them. We'll keep pushing, and I'm sure the results will follow up at some point. But yeah, fuck knows when. But yeah, anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.